Given these three scenarios, what are the political factors or conditions that we should watch out for and monitor? I mean, one of them is, as you implied, whether Marcos will change from halfway measures to full measures.
He cannot facilitate on the anti-corruption. A lot of people really want the big fish. And the big fish are the people closest to him. It's not, I mean, I think people will be happy if Speaker Romualdez were charged and Senate President Escudero was charged. Certainly Secretary Bonoan to be charged, maybe Senator Villar as a previous secretary, DPWH secretary. So here it's critical. The factor also critical is Ombudsman Remulla, independent of Marcos, right? We know that Ombudsman Remulla has political will, but if he's healthy and determined, he can make that happen, whether Marcos likes it or not. And then all that Marcos will do is to support that. So that's one. The second factor, I already also mentioned it, is an external factor. China. Right now, the Dutertes are seen as China supporters, right? And Filipinos do not like China and are more inclined to the U.S. Certainly the AFP, this abduction of Maduro in Venezuela will embolden China. Because they can see that, nobody can tell them now, can lecture to them about rule of law, rules-based international law. In fact, the irony of it is China even have a legal reason for going into Taiwan, because the whole world, I mean 90% of the world recognizes Taiwan as part of China, including us. We have a one China policy, right? I don't think China will invade the Philippines, but China will just take over whatever is left in the West Philippine Sea that we have control of. So that's very important because that creates a lot of dynamics in us. And the third, which is a segue to your last question, which you said, is the strength of the opposition, the range of the opposition, the political parties that are independent or in the position. In other words, not Marcos, not Duterte, not necessarily anti-government, but the full range from the Liberal Party, the Akbayan, to the Bakabayan, to the left, and of course the mass movements against corruption. Are they able to consolidate? That's an important factor. The two things, right, that the two options that will happen is the two scenarios are consolidation of broad forces, the broadest forces possible, or further disintegration of these forces. Right now, I would say 60-40 in favor of disintegration.